showing you the LEGO Technic Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut I got for my birthday. It's big and it has 801 pieces. This is the model. It looks really cool. There's a ton of features too. Like for example, they have butterfly doors which move and close at the same time. And it can also steer. It also has a trunk for storage, and it also has a cool thing on the back. If you want to see the engine, you have to pull this up and flip this flap into here to hold it. And then you can see the whole engine from here. You can see the twin turbo V8 engine and the light 9-speed transmission. It looks really cool. And then when you want to close it, just put it up, slide it down, and then boom. It also has wings on the